afternoon, everyone. Please allow me to give you a brief overview of what I will be covering in this presentation. I'll be looking at the background to aquatic weed management in the city of Cape Town, the challenges that we're facing, and also look at the Black River as a case study and the lessons learned through the case study. The city of Cape Town's rivers, vleis and dams are in trouble. We have three different departments responsible for keeping the rivers clear. Stormwater department, they're responsible for the hydraulics and to make sure that the rivers don't flood. The city parks, who manages the public open spaces and also the riparian zones. And then environmental resource management, which we belong to or form part of. And we're responsible for invasive plant control. So the challenge is the cohesiveness and the collaboration between the different departments. The different departments have different mandates, and they don't complement each other. Some of the departments feel that the aquatic invasive weeds are the problem, and they don't see it as sorry, I'm very nervous. They don't see it as a symptom of poor water quality. Also, the absence of long-term planning and result in work being done reactively and also fragmented. Lack of integration in management and also in control methods is causing the city thousands of fines each year. Okay, if you have a close look, there's a lot of things wrong in this picture. First of all, they're not wearing protective clothing, poor work methods, and also the machine can only take out bigger plants. That's the result. This situation calls for a different approach. Black River is situated in the bottom section of the Salt River catchment. It's the recipient of three rivers, the Elseskraal, Pegerkraal, and Jakkalsvlei. It runs through densely populated areas, and it also includes areas such as industrial areas and also informal settlements. It stretches over 5 kilometers long. This picture showing the dense infestation of water hyacinth and commelina. Before the stormwater department started their yearly winter readiness program, we approached them with a plan, because what they normally do is they bring in the big machines, the long booms, the digger loaders, they take out the water hyacinth and then they leave for the rest of the year. So we divided the river in 4 different reaches and assigned different control methods to the different reaches. We used floating booms to contain the water hyacinth and the litter between the different reaches, and we used a combination of manual labor, mechanical and chemical control. We've got 6 ladies at our office that's making the floating booms for us. They're from the informal settlement at Westlake. And I would also like to acknowledge John Folks, someone from our community who showed me how to make the floating booms. This is just a picture showing how we use it in the field. Within a year, we created 2,437 job opportunities, which comes to 10 full-time equivalents. We started the project on the 21st of February, hence the low person days. We had our high impact phase in March. We didn't do much work during the winter because of the strong currents and also the steep slopes. And everything washes away down to sea in any case. In February, you'll see there's quite a peak number in person days, and that's where we launched our river wardens. That picture after clearing. But how do we ensure sustainability? We believe through our river warden system. Through the Mayor Special Project in memory of Kara Asma, We appointed 30 river wardens on the Black River. These river wardens can rapidly respond to illegal dumping, removing litter and invasive plants, also detecting and reporting leaking sewers. We will never win this battle if we don't try and change the culture and behavior of our people. And we try and do that through awareness and education. We started the Saving Our Waters campaign with different schools along the rivers, within 4 catchments, with the help of Kay Montgomery and her team. So for the future, what do? We need to pool our resources. We need to look at a combination of integrated control methods and also containment and cooperation. We have to cooperate to do our jobs properly. After a year, this is the result. Bird species are coming back, people are utilizing the Black River, and it's becoming alive again. I would like to acknowledge all our partners. Thank you.
Thank you, Shona, and congratulations on such great results. It's wonderful to see that the efforts provide fruit in the end. Right, questions for Chandre? I've got a question. In KZN, we often have trouble also with increasing levels of water in our rivers, and we also have a boom system in place to try and keep our aquatics confined for control. However, the floods and that seem to get in the way of our boom system, and often they break, and then we end up with a problem further downstream. So I'd like to just find out from you if you had such a problem during your wet season with the booms in place.
Yeah, Karen, definitely. What we try and do is when we work in an area, especially in the Salt River catchment, with all the upstream rivers as well, we have our river wardens in the upper streams because it grinds all the rubbish, and that also comes through there. So we do sit with that problem, especially when it floods, but we open it up, and once we start working again, we just close it down.
Any other questions or comments for Chandre? We got some time. Right, we've been studying more. Thank you, Chandre.